Hey guys, what's going on? I had a request in the comments to take a look at a coin called, I think it's called Celo, something like that. Ticker for this is CELO, and I'm currently on the weekly time frame. This one's very straightforward. So if you want to trade this, just take a horizontal line on the weekly time frame, just mark it right below all these candle bodies right here. So you see this level was resistance right here, came above it, support, 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 and then came back to it again. It was support. Here's where it broke down. So obviously you know that if the price comes back up here, this is going to be a strong level of resistance. So if it does make it up here, maybe you can look for a short or something. Or if you long from the breakout of this falling wedge down here, then this could be one of your targets. Okay. So that level for me right now is around $2.28. As I mentioned down here, this is a falling wedge. So this is a basically it's a reversal pattern, but we're nowhere near the apex, right? So this can bounce around between this top level of resistance and this lower level of support for quite a while until it reaches the apex, which is probably around the time of the Bitcoin halving. What you don't want to see is you don't want to see a weekly candle close below this lower line, and obviously a break above this upper resistance level is a very bullish sign, and then you can perhaps look to take an entry. However, there's one thing that I should also note. There's another valid trend line. So if you take a trend line here and connect it from the tops, drag it down, drag it across. You see here how this upper resistance line has multiple touches on it. So you can assume that if it held as resistance all up here, that traders have marked this on their charts. And if the price comes up to it again, this will also serve as a potential level of resistance, right? So there's two levels that the price needs to break to even consider getting excited about this. It's going to be these two trend lines, right? These two resistance levels. So the way to play this is as the price comes down to this lower support region, you can look to enter longs, and then your take profit target is going to be either here or here. But all in all, this is forming a reversal pattern. This is a falling wedge. Just wait for the breakout, and then this is going to be your main upper target once the price does break out. But I'll try and keep an eye on it, and if it does break out, then what I'll do, I'll run some Fibonacci and give you some Fibonacci targets as well for potential resistance levels. Anyway, hopefully that helps. And guys, if you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release these videos, just click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. And if you want an exchange to trade these assets on, the one I'm using is linked in the pinned comment and the description. I like it for a few reasons. They have a really easy to use interface with some cool features for trading, but also they're one of the few centralized exchanges that won't require you to submit your personal information, right? So KYC is completely optional. And depending on your location, you may need a VPN to use it. So I also put a link to a promotion on a VPN in both the pinned comment and the description as well. Anyway, hopefully that helps. Take care. Bye.